Prime Minister Modi is now tweeted lauding the Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh, said, and I quote, to personally serve tea to those who attacked and insulted him a few days ago, as well as those sitting on dharna, shows that Harivansh has been blessed with a humble mind and a big heart. It shows his greatness. I join the people of India in congratulating Harivansh. Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh will in fact be observing a one-day fast over the behaviour of opposition MPs during the passing of the Farm Bills on 20th September. But the Prime Minister tweeting on the fact that Harivansh early this morning visited the Parliament premises, met with the 8 suspended MPs who are on a dharna and also brought tea for them while interacting with them. Poulami Saha is joining us with more details on this. Poulami, interesting tweet this by the Prime Minister. He's lauding the Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh for taking the time out for meeting with the suspended MPs and essentially trying to reach out to them.
That's right. In fact, the Prime Minister has said that this only goes to show the kind of values that the Deputy Chairman has, and the fact that he's a very humble person. He has a very big heart, and of course, he says that this is what the people of Bihar also have this sort of wonderful sense of ethos that they have, and Dr. Harivansh of the JDU from Bihar, of course, who is the deputy chair in the Rajya Sabha, in fact, imbibes those values, and that is exactly what he put out on display this morning when he visited the 8 suspended MPs who spent the night in the Parliament lawns near the Gandhi statue. He visited them with tea. He had a conversation with them. In fact, he told them that I'm here just as a personal friend. I'm not here as the deputy chair because I assume that position only when I enter the house and I sit on that chair. Here I am as a personal friend. So obviously, something which has shown a little bit of a humane side to politics as well. After all the bickering that we witnessed in the Rajya Sabha, it remains to be seen what the course of action these 8 suspended MPs follow over the course of the day. But the fact is that this gesture obviously has been appreciated across the board.
All right, Poulami, thank you for that update. Let's take this across also to Manogya Lohewal, because the action is going to be shifting to Kolkata in the coming hours, where there are going to be protests by TMC leaders. And Manogya, any confirmation of whether Mamata Banerjee is going to be there personally leading that agitation from the front?
Well, as of now, no such plans of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee being on the streets in Kolkata to protest against the Farmers' Bill. But what was more interesting is that in the day today, you would also see many more developments with the leaders coming, joining hands, and of course protesting on the streets. And these will be sit-in dharnas also. However, it will be followed with several other dharnas in the days to come. That means tomorrow also with the student wing being on the streets and protesting against the Farmers' Bill. One very pertinent point, we spoke to Dola Sen, who's the MP and has been suspended in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, also clearly stated that had the deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha arrived without cameras, it would have been acceptable. But now that he's come with cameras and the media persons, it's more of a show-off and a publicity stunt that they wanted to do to show off on what they wanted to do instead of an intent of doing what they actually wanted to do.
All right, Manogya, thank you for joining us with those details. The TMC, as Manogya pointed out, will be holding a protest against the farm reforms in Kolkata today. Mamata Banerjee could take part in the protest, no confirmation on that. But let's listen in to what she's had to say about this entire controversy and the contentious farm bills.
একদিকে তো মহামারী চলছে, প্যান্ডেমিক করোনা, সেই প্যান্ডেমিক করোনাকে ঠেকাতে পারলো না। আর একটা মহামারী, খাদ্য সংকট। আমরা মনে করি ফার্মারদের জন্য তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস সহ অন্যান্য পার্টিরা, অপোজিশন পার্টিরা ইউনাইটেড হয়ে যা করেছে ঠিক করেছে। বিজেপিকে বলি ছি, বিজেপি হচ্ছে দেশের লজ্জা। হিটলারি কায়দায় দেশ চলছে, টোটাল ফ্যাসিজম কায়দায় দেশ চলছে। কেউ প্রতিবাদ করতে গেলে তাকে দাঙ্গায় জড়িয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.